may be behind. This election plays with your mind.
President Bush has talked about our staying in Iraq for 50 years.
Maybe 100.
Bomb Iran. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
Trouble ahead, lady in red. New York Times says you took her to bed. On your next birthday you'll be 72. On the slow train heading for you. Driving that train, we'll try with McCain. The immigrants rock, it will be fine. Trouble ahead, can he win this time? If he serves 2 terms, he'll be 79.
You ever worry that you might die in office? And thanks for the question, you little jerk.
Oh, the trouble with you is the trouble with me. Got blue and red states we just can't see. Vote for McCain, a 3rd term for Bush. When the soldiers return, let's give them a push. Driving that train high on McCain. Senator, you better watch your spiel. Obama ahead, Clinton behind. And you know this nation's just lost its mind.
No way, no how, no McCain.
And you know this nation's just lost its mind.
Like all wars, this one will have its ups and downs. But we must fight. We must.
And you know this nation's just lost its mind.
If John McCain wants to follow George Bush with more tough talk and bad strategy, that is his choice. But that is not the change that America needs.